welcome back. It's time for Superfood Friday, and this week we are supersizing some classic dishes by making them healthier and bigger. Isn't that fun? Here to show us is today nutrition and health expert Joy Bauer. Joy, good morning.
Good morning. Congratulations. All the hugs.
Yeah, I know, right? All the loves.
All right, we're starting with scrambled eggs.
Yeah, so love a good scrambled egg. This is a 2-egg portion, but I'm about to supersize it with more protein and more nutrition by, look at that, adding cottage cheese
That's not a 2-egg.
into the mix. It is.
Wait, really?
This is I'm going to put this, yes.
Are you serious?
I'm going to put this over here.
How did you do that?
So what I've done is I took 2 eggs and I mixed it with a 1/4 cup of cottage cheese and sauteed spinach. So it poofs up the volume and it delivers so much vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and that one serving is 22 grams of protein. So it's going to keep you feeling energized for hours.
Looking at the plate, you feel like you actually ate a full meal.
And it's
I
so
love adding
easy.
cottage cheese
And not only is it good for rushed mornings, but it's really good if you're in my house for lazy dinners.
And if you think you don't like cottage cheese, you can't tell.
Okay, this is a grilled cheese, right? It always delivers the cozy feels, but we are about to superfoodify it with...
Wow.
It's like 5 times the size.
Like a triple
First
decker.
I started with whole grain bread. Guys, I am obsessed with this sandwich. I'm calling it a harvest grilled cheese. It has layers of thin sliced apples, then roasted butternut squash and onions, melty cheddar on top, and then I took it over the top with a little drizzle of honey mustard, but you could also do pesto or a balsamic glaze. Everybody has to make the sandwich. Is that delicious? And it's so hearty and so delicious.
That's also good for a dinner.
Wow.
Last but not least, the finale, instead of a standard Greek yogurt, which I love.
You love Greek
We
yogurt.
could do better. We are making a banana pumpkin pudding. Woo! Look how big
that's
this
the
is.
same amount.
Yes.
I like taking the lid off. That's my favorite part.
Greg,
There's
you're
no way
good.
that's the same amount.
It's the same amount. What I did was took the single serve, I added a dollop of canned pumpkin puree, so now we know it has the fiber, the antioxidants, and a half of a chopped banana in there. That's what's poofing it up
God,
as well.
that is delicious.
This could be a snack, it
My
could be a
kids love
breakfast,
this. We
or
eat
it
this a
could
lot.
be an indulgent dessert. And I did a little bit of ground cinnamon or pumpkin pie spice. It's so great.
Oh my gosh, all the things you can do with Greek yogurt.
Yes.
It's just
Delicious.
great.
God,
Thank
look
you
at how
so
big
much.
they all got.
Where's my spoon?
Super size. Oh my gosh, Joy, thank you so much for these recipes and more nutrition information. Head to today.com/food.